Selling your home in San Diego, a city known for its breathtaking coastal views, vibrant neighborhoods, and dynamic real estate market, can be both an exhilarating and overwhelming experience. One critical aspect that homeowners often overlook until the last minute is the fate of their existing mortgage. So, understanding what happens to your mortgage after selling your home is crucial, especially if you're looking to sell quickly and efficiently to a cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers. This detailed guide will help you navigate this process smoothly, ensuring you are well prepared for each step. I'm Emily with Trusted House Buyers, and thanks for watching. Understanding your mortgage balance. So before diving into the specifics of what happens to your mortgage after selling your home, it's essential to have a clear grasp of your current mortgage balance. This balance represents the amount you still owe your lender, which includes the principal and any accrued interest. So when you decide to sell your home, one of the first steps is to request a mortgage payoff statement from your lender. Now, this document will provide the exact amount needed to fully pay off your mortgage, including any prepayment penalties or fees that might apply. So selling to a cash buyer. So the basics here. Selling your home to a cash buyer, such as Trusted House Buyers, differs significantly from traditional real estate transactions. Cash buyers purchase properties outright without the need for financing, which streamlines the process and can significantly reduce the time it takes to close the sale. This can be particularly advantageous in a fast-paced and competitive market like San Diego's, where timing is often of the essence. So imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your sale won't be held up by the bank approvals or buyer's financing falling through at the last minute. Cash transactions are more straightforward, and the buyer's ability to pay is never in question. This certainty can be a game changer, especially if you're in a situation where a quick sale is paramount. Let's talk about the payout process, the step-by-step guide in accepting your cash offer. So once you accept an offer from a cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers, the next step involves working with a title company or real estate attorney to handle the closing process. Now, these professionals manage all the necessary paperwork and ensure that everything is in order for a smooth transaction. This part of the process is crucial as it ensures all legalities are handled properly, providing you with peace of mind. You might be wondering about requesting a payoff statement. So as mentioned earlier, you'll need to request a payoff statement from your lender. Now, this statement will outline the exact amount required to pay off your mortgage, including any interest that will accrue up to the closing date. It's crucial to obtain this statement as early as possible to avoid any delays. Now, this statement ensures that there are no surprises at closing and that you know precisely what is needed to clear the mortgage. Now let's talk about closing the sale. So on the closing day, the proceeds from the sale of your home will be used to pay off your existing mortgage. The title company or real estate attorney will handle this transaction, ensuring that the lender receives the exact amount specified in the payoff statement. Now this step is vital to clear the title and transfer ownership to the new buyer. The meticulous handling of this process by professionals ensures that all parties are satisfied and that the transfer is legally sound. Now let's get into settling the mortgage. So once the lender receives the payoff amount, they will process the payment and officially release the lien on your property. So this means that the mortgage is fully paid off and the property is no longer collateral for the loan. You should receive a confirmation letter from the lender stating that the mortgage has been satisfied. Now this letter is an important document confirming that your obligations have been fulfilled. So let's talk about distributing remaining funds. So after the mortgage is paid off, and any closing costs are settled, the remaining proceeds from this sale will be dispersed to you. Now, these funds can be used to settle any other debts, invest in a new property, or achieve other financial goals. Now, the disbursement process is usually quick, allowing you to access your funds promptly to move on with your plans. Now, let's get into the advantages of working with Trusted House Buyers. So, choosing to work with a cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers offers several significant advantages. Now, particularly when it comes to handling your mortgage. So, speed and efficiency. One of the primary benefits of working with a cash buyer is the speed of the transaction. Without the need for mortgage approvals and appraisals, the process can be completed in a matter of days or weeks rather than months. This can be especially beneficial if you need to sell quickly due to financial constraints, relocation, or other urgent reasons. Imagine having the entire process wrapped up in a couple of weeks, freeing you to focus on your next steps without the sale hanging over your head. We also simplify paperwork, so selling to trusted house buyers typically involves less paperwork compared to traditional sales. Trusted house buyers streamlines the process, making it easier for you to focus on other aspects of your move or financial planning. The reduction in paperwork means fewer headaches and a smoother experience overall. There is also no need for repairs or renovations, which is huge. Trusted house buyers purchase this property in their current condition, meaning you won't need to invest time or money into making repairs or upgrades. This can save you significant stress and financial outlay, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So imagine bypassing the hassle of home improvements and staging, knowing that the offer on your home is fair and reflective of its current state. When you receive a cash offer, there's a high level of certainty that the sale will go through. So unlike traditional buyers who might face financing issues, cash buyers have the funds readily available, reducing the risk of the deal falling through at the last minute. Now, this reliability can provide immense peace of mind during what is often a stressful time. Let's get into a real-life example, Katie's story. So to illustrate how selling to a cash buyer like Trusted House Buyers can simplify the process of dealing with your mortgage, let's look at Katie's experience. So Katie owned a home in North Park, San Diego, and due to job relocation, she needed to sell her home quickly. She had a conventional mortgage with a small prepayment penalty and was worried about how long the traditional selling process would take. Now, Katie decided to contact Trusted House Buyers, and we provided her with a fair cash offer within 48 hours. The speed and simplicity of the offer were appealing, so she decided to proceed. She requested a payoff statement from her lender, which included the mortgage balance, accrued interest, and the prepayment penalty. On the day of closing, the title company used the sale proceeds to pay off her mortgage in full, and the remaining funds were transferred to Katie's bank account, allowing her to settle her move without financial stress. The entire process took less than 3 weeks, a time frame that would have been nearly impossible through traditional real estate channels. Working with Trusted House Buyers ensures a smooth transition, so selling your home in San Diego and dealing with your mortgage can be a seamless experience, especially when working with a reputable cash buyer. Contact us today at 619-786-0973 to get started on selling your San Diego home quickly and hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in today.